slime came. This is Valentine and you're watching my Innovative Kids channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make one slime that is also so clear. Many of you had asked me to make Pantene shampoo clear slime. So I'm not having that shampoo, but I am having Johnson's baby shampoo. So I used to put this shampoo for my beautiful hair, and my little sister also used to use this to her hair. In this there are no harm chemicals, so we can, and it is very clear. So let's make a slime with this, and it will come with so clear. So to make that slime, first the main ingredients we need is Johnson baby shampoo. Any shampoo that is clear. Okay? Some water, a bowl, the slime activator. In the kit I had a ticket. So now with this we have to take some clear glue and 1 spoon. That's it. Only 3 ingredients. Come on, let's make it. Let me keep it in order. First we need a bowl like this. Now first let's take the bowl and put some Johnson baby shampoo. See, can you see it is so clear? Yes. See how clear it is? Can you see it? So now let's put some water. I think this much is so much. Now let's mix it well. It is looking like a water, just water. Since the Johnson's baby shampoo is not having the harm chemicals, it will not form the so leathery texture like this and all. So if we put the Dove shampoo or Sunsilk shampoo, it will come at you in your video. Now it will form a leathery foamy texture will be now. But in this there are no chemicals, just little. So much lather will not come in this shampoo. So mix it very, very well. So after this we have to add some glue. Any glue is fine. If you want a clear one, you can add the Fevigum or a clear glue. If you want just any color, you can add some color or Fevicol. I think this much is enough. Let's mix it. But in the videos and all, they will show that they will put the shampoo and put some salt in it, and they will keep it in the fridge. But after that they will keep, and there will be on side. It will never ever happen like that, because I had tried with the Vim liquid, it didn't come. So don't try those slimes and waste your things. Just make a proper way. So once you mix very well, let's add the activator. Don't have the activator? You can add the contact lens. Now let's add it. there's the instruction over there. See? See how clear it is coming. See, a slime came. Wow. See, a beautiful slime is ready now. I had drained the slime. The excess soapy water, I had drained it off. After that, I washed it for 2 times. Then only you can avoid the soapiness effect. Now it is ready for you to play. It's a little bit sticky, but afterwards it will be nice. Okay. So I hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye. So with this, I'm going to add some golden glitter.